Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about mini drone with custom flight controller PCB. Design and development of a research grade mini quadcopter drone using custom flight controller PCB. So our problem statement and motivation. Commercial drones are expensive and closed source. Limited student exposure to real flight control electronics. Lack of hands-on learning in control systems and PCB design. So the proposed solution and objective. So proposed solution is design a high performance mini drone with a custom PCB. Our objectives are design and fabricate flight controller PCB, implement real-time flight control, achieve stable efficient flight, build a reusable research platform. So the system architecture, it includes transmitter to receiver, custom flight controller, MCU and sensors, ESCs to motors, battery, power distribution and regulation. So in this slide, we'll talk about control logic and flowchart. First, system initialization and sensor calibration, read receiver or pilot commands, read IMU and other sensors, error calculation, desired versus actual, PID control algorithm, motor mixing and PWM generation, continuous closed loop operations. In this slide, we will discuss about custom flight controller PCB, fully student designed controller, 4 layer ENIG PCB for low noise, optimized grounding and signal routing, designed for reliability and scalability. So here we are discussing about co-processing sensors and power electronics. First of all, we will discuss about processing and sensors. So MCU is STM32H743, which is which has a frequency of 480 MHz. IMU is ICM 42688P. Barometer is BMP388. Magnetometer QMC 5883L. Now we will discuss about power electronics. High efficiency buck converter. We can use MP1584 TI TP S5430. Low noise LDOs for sensors. MOS FETs which has low RDSON. Protection. TVS diode, polyfuse are the things which are used for protection in this. Now here comes actuation, frame and power system. Motors. T motor high efficiency series are used in this. ESCs BL Heli 32 which has 45 ampere is used in this. Frame 5-inch carbon fiber. Vibration isolation mounts. Battery is 4S 1500 milliampere 100C LiPo battery. Smart balance charger and PDB are also used in this. Now communication, telemetry and safety. Transmitter Radio Master TX16S MKII. Receiver ELRS 2.4 GHz. GPS and telemetry support. Safety buzzer LEDs fail safe. So now we'll talk about our budget overview, which is total of 75k. Electronics and sensor comprises of 9000. PCB printed costs 6k rupees. PCB assembling and soldering costs 3k rupees. Motor and ESC cost 26,000 rupees. Frame, battery and charger cost 19,800 rupees. Communication and miscellaneous, all other miscellaneous costs 11,200 rupees. Now here comes innovation, applications and future scope. Innovations are custom flight controller PCB, research grade component selection. Application and future scopes are UAV research platform, autonomous navigation, control systems experimentation, and advanced competitions are main applications and future scope of this. So here in this slide we have discussed custom mini drone BOM, in which we have discussed various categories, various component names, what their models are, what their key specifications are, and what are purposes of those categories. For example, here given processing unit has a purpose, core flight control and PID. Sensing include attitude stabilization. Another sensing include sensor redundancy. Another sensing category includes altitude estimation, and navigation include position hold. Now in this slide we have discussed about system innovation and engineering highlights. So bullet points are custom flight controller PCB designed from scratch instead of using off the shelf controllers. Dual-IMU architecture improves reliability, fault tolerance and flight stability. High efficiency power design. Buck plus LDO communication reduces heat and increases flight time. End-to-end system ownership. Hardware, PCB, firmware and integration fully controlled. So, what is the conclusion of our whole discussion? Complete end-to-end mini drone system, strong integration of hardware, control and PCB design, high impact student innovation project. These three are the main conclusion of the whole discussion.